In today's video, you're gonna see luxury handbags and accessories that you can buy with amazing price because it's Black Friday. So let's dive directly into this video, and I have this amazing bag. Stay until the end of this video because I have a very amazing price for an item, so stay until the end. Okay, so let's start with the bag because I have tons of things to show you today. So let's start with the amazing Celine handbag. And as you can see, we had the dust bag for this one. And ta-da, we have a Celine nano luggage. And it comes with almost everything. Just do not have the box for this one, but otherwise we had, of course, the bag. We also had a bag organizer inside, which protects the inside of the bag. The bag is brand new, I have to say, brand new. We have the strap, so it's really cool. You can wear it like crossbody or on the side. We have papers, we have the invoice. It was bought at 24/7. It's a French website. It's the website of the Bon Marché in Paris. This one is brand new, and the price was 1,800 euro, and it is now 1,530 euro. I will add on the screen, as every week, the USD price and the UK price, guys. But yeah, this one is now still available, but with a very, very good price because it's Black Friday, and of course, we had to participate also. I hope you will enjoy it. Of course, we ship worldwide as usual. Every of my bags and accessories are available on the website margavaluxpro.com. This is my website. I ship worldwide and with insurance, of course. So I hope you will enjoy the prices because it's like very, very good. Okay, let's go for something else because we have so much to see today. Okay, so something I received recently is this amazing Louis Vuitton wallet in monogram canvas. Good condition, very good. You need this one in your own collection if you don't have it yet. It's a must. And this one was 196 euro and it is now 165 euro. This is insane. You need to have it in your collection right now. Available on the website. You have the photos, description, everything. Everything is explained. I really hope you will enjoy this video and like Black Friday with me. This was like a way to say thank you for your support every single week. Okay, now I have a surprise for you. This mini Lady Dior is also on the Black Friday selection. So this is a limited edition mini Lady Dior in pearl. She's gorgeous. She's a she's a Lady Dior, and oh, I'm so fan of it. So you had the strap for this one. Condition is good, very good. And the price for this one was 2,300 euro, and it is now 1,950 euro. Yes, you heard me well, knowing that right now on the French website, it is between like 6,000 and 7,000 USD for this type of limited edition bag. I'm proud and so excited that we can like offer this type of pricing. Some people are going to be like, wow, this is so low. Why? Just because like it's been bags that we already I already dropped a few weeks ago. And I'm super excited like to offer you those kind of prices because it's soon to be Christmas and I want also to gift you. We are not going to make any profit on what I'm showing you today. Like clearly not, even like sometimes it's not going to be profitable for us, I have to admit. But for us, it's also a way to change our stock because we don't have that much in stock actually. Like it's pretty low because we sell almost everything every week. But you know, also it's nice. It's a nice way to say thank you for your support. So it's here. Everything is available on the website as usual. I will link everything in the description below. And let's go for something else. Okay. I have a small SLG here. This is a men's collection wallet. This is a shadow wallet. It's for everyone, of course, like Louis Vuitton is usually mixed. But this one is brand new and this comes like with the microchip inside. This is not the serial number anymore. So it's kind of very new. The price for this one was 480 euro and it is now 408 euro. So it's quite a very, very good price. This is insane. Like I'm quite shocked. Okay, let's go for something else. Let's go for let's go for a necklace. So, jewelry, and we have a Dior necklace. So this one is a choker, they call it, at Dior, and this is like the store from Dior. Like it represents clearly the brand. And this is a choker. Like the condition is amazing. The price was 265 euro, and now it is 225 euro. So we have very, very good prices for Black Friday. Black Friday prices is going to be like from tonight, Wednesday 22nd, until until Sunday night. Okay, guys? So I hope you will really enjoy what we give you as prices for Black Friday, because it's not going to be every day. We are not going to do any more discounts or more discounts. It's going to be like the only discount we make until Sunday. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, something else. I'm going to show you like, because I love it. This is a Gucci pouch, and this is very cute. Like, this is a little pouch for makeup or whatever you want. You can fit like lots of things to put like in your everyday bag. This is so freaking cute. Condition is good, very good. Every information is on my website as usual. The price for this one was 170 euro, and it's now 144.50 euro. So it's a very, very, very good discount. Very good price. Let me remind you to stay until the end of the video, because I have a huge surprise for you. A very, very amazing item with the best price ever for you, and a very good like inside information about the brand. Okay, let's go for something that I want to show you also. Hermes, of course. So we had the box, and this is a Calvi card holder. This one is in Chèvre Misoré. This is a pink one, good condition, I would say. It's used, but very, very amazing. The price was 285 euro, and it is now 242 euro. Very good. I'm sorry, I'm going very fast today because we have so many things to see, and these are items that I already dropped a few weeks ago. You have every video on my channel, like my YouTube channel anyway. But yeah, feel free also to subscribe to my channel if you like my content. But I have another bag. So we had a Fendi kind of baguette vintage one. This one is amazing. I love it. Condition is amazing. You have used leather parts, but it's very little. The price was 529 euro, and the price now is 449 euro. Yes, you heard me well. Oh, so excited because this one, I love it actually. I don't know why it's still with me. Actually, it's not sold out, but you know, it's a very good price anyway. And we are going for more Hermes. So I have bracelets. So the first one I want to show you, we had the box, and this is the Email one. This is the bangle. It's gold, green, and red. It was 339 euro, and it is now 288 euro. It's very, very good deal. Like, I don't know what to say because I don't have much better. And I have this one with the box and the dust bag. This is a Click H from Hermes also, like palladium silver hardware, and the blue color. So beautiful. The price was 520 euro, and it is now 442 euro. This is very, very amazing. Okay, now the last one, but the best, the surprise. And we have the loop from Louis Vuitton. This is a croissant loop from Louis Vuitton in monogram Kanda. This one, I have to say, I have an amazing price. So stay until the end if you want to know a price, of course. And they are going to release it again at Louis Vuitton. I saw some Instagram accounts. I'm going to put you this here. And they are in production, actually. I think it's going to be released in 2024. I do not have the price, retail price yet. But trust me, it's going to be like around 2,000 euro. And this one was 1,020 euro on the website, on my website. So it was quite low already. But now it's 867 euro. Yes. So it's like a 15% discount. This is huge for this type of bag and luxury bags. So everything is authenticated, of course. We go through Entropy certificate and my authentication. I'm so excited. So if you are interested in any of the items that you just see, go on my website. It's bamluxurystore.com. I sell luxury handbags and accessories every Wednesday during a bag drop day. You can, of course, subscribe to the newsletter if you want to receive the email every single week. And yeah, like every single week, it's the same pattern. So everything is explained in the description below. Every link also are. I hope you will enjoy this Black Friday. Thank you so much for your support and hope to see you soon. Bisous. Bye.